Stretch. Box. Airsoft GI. Airsoft. Weasels? Hells yeah. eBay material. Stretch.
Fish, get back here with my box! Hello Airsofters, I'm Satan from Adirondack Rangers, and this here is the mystery boss box from Airsoft GI that we just got that my brother Fisch stole. So, let's open up and see what we got. So, let's see. Paper nobody cares about. Paper nobody cares about. More paper, more paper. And a G&G GR16R4. Nice. I did good. Stupid fish. See what it looks like. So we're aware I hate boxes. Just broke the packaging. That I broke your styrofoam. Full metal body. Nice. Good stock. And there was one chance to get this in the box, so I think we did pretty good. Thank you for watching. This has been a opening of a mystery boss box from Airsoft GI, and you can follow us on AdirondackRangers.com and on Facebook and Twitter. We'll see you later.